Okay, I'm back. So I forgot to pause instead of stopping the last video, but I'll just put them together and you'll just have to watch them back to back. But this is video number 2 of my hair after I did the whole thing with the flaxseed gel, with my cream, flaxseed gel, and a little bit of oil afterwards. So as you can see, it did give it a lot of curl. It defined them, and as the day goes on, it'll start to dry and it define it even more. And as you can tell, it really didn't do it didn't lay my edges all the way down, but it'll give it a little bit of control. And again, as the day goes on, this will get a little firmer as well. And then tonight, if I'm not feeling extra lazy, I will twist the top, and in the morning I'll wet it a little bit depending on what the weather looks like, and I'll puff it back out like this. But one important thing for me is that I'm not natural because it's trendy, because it's powerful, because I have that silky cute curly hair it's just cute. I really went natural because I had noticed a reaction to perms, and I'm not knocking perms, do you? But I'm talking about what was going on with me. Every time I would get a perm, I would, even though my beautician was doing an excellent job of washing it out, I would smell like amoxicillin, penicillin or something, and I could smell like a perm-like smell. But what was going on is that my skin was reacting constantly to the perm itself, and so my body was giving off a smell of, I guess, kind of trying to repair it and tell me that it was not really working for it. So I decided to go ahead and try the natural life, and see if that helped with my headaches and other things that were going on. And for me, it did work. It's a lot of work, and that's the truth. But it did help on that, in that area. And I will be doing a few videos in the future about just kind of doing a healthy transition in general. As of late, I try to do as much of my daily hygiene from an all-natural perspective as possible. I.e., my makeup is Dirty Beauty, gorgeous lady. And then I have on some Mented, which is also a new natural company, but Dirty Beauty is my girl. And I just try to stay natural with my body washes and things like that, because all of those things impact your body in some shape, form, or fashion. And if you're already dealing with issues of autoimmune disorders, you have to be very attentive to your body. So again, I'll be talking a little bit more about that and my journey in the near future. Also look out for one of our upcoming events. I'll be hosting a DIY for your mind, body, and soul. So we'll be doing a little DIY for maybe lotions, some oils, some body sprays, things like that. Maybe even talk a little bit about journaling, and things to kind of help you on your journey to healing and a whole you. We spend a lot of our time in life fragmented, because we're all over the place and we don't allow ourselves to rest, restore, and renew. But it's time to start doing those things. It's not about looking good and all of that, because we can make pain look real pretty. We can. But it's really about being whole on the inside. It's important that we not wait until we're faced with a health issue to start taking care of our temple. We need to reinforce the castle before the enemy comes. So the healthier you are, when things sneak up on you, like cancer, fibromyalgia, lupus, whatever it is, you're stronger. Even if it's a fall, you're stronger to recover from that if you've already been doing some work on the temple. So again, look out for our events later at Divine Fitness for Life. Check our website, divinefitnessforlife.com, and Divine Fit 4 life. It's also our new website that's coming online. But look out, because I want to help you be the best version of yourself that you can be. So I'll see you later.